The following video might not be suitable for everyone. Viewers' discretion is advised.
Alright, viewers and subscribers, my name is Dancehall skilla. I'm there again, yeah? Big up and respect to each and everyone. I hope that everyone is okay and alright, you see? Alright, big up, big up. Alright, now, viewers and subscribers, sometimes you have some persons who will leave the country that they're from to go to other countries out there worldwide in order to get a job and for other purposes as well. And some of the times, some of those persons do certain things that might reflect in a negative way on the country that they're from. Now, I'm going to present to you pieces of videos that are from one entire video that shows a confrontation between two females, and the confrontation escalated into a fight between those two females. The video also shows when a certain amount of persons did what they could to try and stop those two females from hurting each other. Now, the video had been recorded within London, England, that's within the United Kingdom, on a road where the Brixton village market is located at. I didn't get any confirmed information as to exactly when the video had been recorded. The video also shows a large amount of persons who was at the location during the incident. And the video also shows when those two females hit each other. The video also shows when those two females throw objects at each other, in the viewers and subscribers. And one of the reasons why I am talking about this video with you, my viewers and subscribers, is because I got the understanding that there are persons on social media who talk about how those two females behaved. In the video, you can also hear yelling and shouting. And in the video, you can also hear when a certain amount of persons used a certain amount of harsh language. See? Now, viewers and subscribers, I'm going to present these pieces of videos to you that are from the entire video, so that you can take a look at these pieces of videos. You can also let me know what you think as well. But before I present these pieces of videos to you, this is a warning that some of the scenes in these pieces of videos might not be suitable for everyone. Viewer discretion is advised. Here are the pieces of videos. Take a look, listen, and observe with me. Arguments between those two females. One of them should have just walked away. One of those females should have just walked away, or two of those females should have just walked away and avoid the confrontation.
Look at what is. Look here, what is. I didn't get a shopping.
And listen to the accent of those two females, not viewers and subscribers. Jamaican accent is what we hear. Jamaican accent.
Yeah, who's shopping this? I want them shopping, no. Who's them? One of them shopping, no, show them.
Yeah, the argument, it's like the argument keep on getting heated and heated more. Alright, viewers and subscribers, me really and truly have to stop right there, so because at that point of the video, those two females hit each other, in my point of view. You understand? So let me carry to this part of the video now and take a look at it. See?
Cheba, pardon, man. Cheba, stop them, man. Stop them, Cheba.
There are certain amount of persons who was trying to stop them from fighting each other. Right here, so it's where they will throw objects at each other. You see it, people? Right here is where objects had been thrown from at least one of those females or both females. You understand me? These are the things when I talk about the violence. It not look good. See? And I got the understanding that there are persons on social media who talk about the violence that those two females got involved with or did. You understand? Yeah, because then they try to hurt them one another and also hit each other. Anyways, here's the next piece of the video now.
Different way.
Those females throw objects at each other. It don't look good. It don't look good. It don't look good. And I know disrespectful thing with the fandom of people, but it really don't look good. You understand? So now we have an understanding as to why you have some person on social media who talk about this video. Brixton village.
Harry! See what I want.
All them things. The one I see. I tell them people. So someone brought this video to my attention. See? Hold on, let me see the rest of that, so. Alright, so my people, someone brought this video to my attention, you know. So I say, hey, I have some real loyal viewers and subscribers who look out for Dancehall Skilla. I want to say big up and respect to each and every one of you, my viewers and subscribers who look out for Dancehall Skilla. You see? Alright, now my people, according to some things that I saw and heard in the video, it seems as if those two females know each other, you know? Yeah, it seems as if them know each other. See? Because one of those females said some things in the video that gave me the understanding that one said to the other, is me bring you come a foreign. You get to me, I said to you, my people, all of them things there, me start to think about it. You see me? See, me all I think about property damage because those females throw objects, you know. You see me, I say, those females throw objects. Me I think about property damage. See? Me I wonder if nobody got injured. See, because me look at the video, me wonder if anybody got injured because of the amount of things that had been thrown. However, I didn't get any confirmed information if anyone had been badly injured or anything like that. I'm not saying that no one got injured no, because the things that we see happen there, so someone can get injured by it. You see? And if you know something like that happen in a crowd, viewers and subscribers, so me I say and all them things there. Eh? Think about the people them with it. Eh? Think about children. See? All them little things there. But them things don't look good still, it don't look good, you understand? And things like this can reflect on the country where those females are from. Did you listen to those accents? You listen to the accent from those females, you hear them talk, you hear them sound similar to me though. Yeah, so what I tell you? You see? Anyways, I don't mean a disrespect, it's just that I must point out so that's each and every one for trying to live in a peace. I don't know what happened between those two females, I don't know what really and truly go on. You see what I say? Sometimes you have one that might be a troublemaker. Sometimes it might be a misunderstanding. Yeah, it can be a misunderstanding. But the main thing me I cry peace. See me? So the video is being talked about on social media. And I just presented pieces of the video to you so that you can have an understanding about the video and the whole situation. You understand? So you can let me know what you think, viewers and subscribers. Alright? Yeah, and things like that can get those two females in trouble with the law and viewers and subscribers. Yeah, the things that those females had done that you can see in the entire video that I talk about, yeah, those things can make them get arrested by the police within that country, viewers and subscribers. You see? But if no one got hurt, I am okay with that. You see me, I say, yeah, hopefully no one will get hurt. You understand? Yeah, so I'm going to leave it right here, so enough viewers and subscribers, and big up and respect each and every one. Until next time, my name is Dancehall skilla. Big up, you see it.
Hey, my youth, you know where you watch?
Dancehall skilla.
Yeah, man. Hey, yo, skilla. You are watching Dancehall skilla. 10.